Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can move a task in your Sunsama workspace to the backlog if you, for example, don't want to use it anymore in your workspace or in your calendar. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your workspace on Sunsama in the Sunsama app. Navigate to the home section and browse through your calendar and select the task. I will go with this example task here. So what you want to do is right click into it and select defer to a backlog. Now you may use also the shortcut here or choose one of these options. For example, move the backlog for the next month, next year, or never. I will go with next week, and that is going to move it to the backlog. You can open it from here, for example, or navigate to the backlog here on the right hand side, and you will see the moved task here in the given category of the backlog. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.